Looking for the best wooden spoons that are safe for nonstick cookware and free from harmful chemicals? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 non-toxic and non-stick safe wooden spoons that every kitchen needs. These wooden utensils are durable, heat-resistant, eco-friendly, and perfect for everyday cooking. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, the OXO Good Grips 3-piece wooden spoon set is one of the best choices for home cooks looking for safe, durable, and non-toxic kitchen utensils. Made from solid beech wood, these spoons are specially designed to work safely with non-stick cookware without scratching delicate surfaces. Their smooth, natural oil finish gives them a premium appearance while avoiding harmful chemicals or synthetic coatings. This spoon set includes 3 versatile wooden spoons that are perfect for stirring soups, sauces, pasta, vegetables, and baking mixtures. The lightweight construction makes them comfortable to hold during long cooking sessions, while the strong hardwood material ensures long-lasting durability. Another major advantage of this set is its simple and classic design, which fits beautifully into almost any kitchen style. Many users appreciate that the spoons do not transfer heat quickly, making cooking safer and more comfortable. Although the spoons are hand wash only and not dishwasher safe, proper care can keep them in excellent condition for years. Overall, the OXO Good Grips wooden spoon set offers excellent quality, performance, and value for everyday cooking needs. At number 4, the Zule Kitchen 6-piece wooden spoon set is a premium cookware utensil collection designed for home cooks who want durable, non-toxic, and non-stick safe kitchen tools. Made from high-quality teak wood, this set combines strength, elegance, and everyday practicality in one complete package. The set includes 6 essential cooking utensils: a salad spoon, salad fork, serving spoon, skimmer, spatula, and turner. Each utensil is carefully crafted with a smooth finish and ergonomic comfort grip, making cooking easier and more enjoyable. Teak wood is naturally water-resistant and highly durable, allowing these utensils to withstand regular daily use without cracking or warping. One of the biggest advantages of this set is its scratch-free design. These wooden utensils are safe for expensive non-stick cookware, helping protect pans from damage while cooking. Their lightweight yet sturdy construction also provides excellent control when stirring, flipping, or serving food. Cleaning is simple with mild soap and water, and the polished finish helps maintain their attractive appearance over time. Overall, the Zule Kitchen wooden spoon set is an excellent choice for anyone looking for stylish, long-lasting, and eco-friendly cooking utensils for everyday kitchen use. Coming in at number 3, the Neat Wooden Spoons for Cooking 6-piece set is an excellent kitchen utensil collection designed for safe, eco-friendly, and everyday cooking. Made from natural organic bamboo, these utensils are lightweight, durable, and perfect for use with non-stick cookware. Their smooth finish and modern straight handle design provide both comfort and style in the kitchen. This set includes essential cooking tools such as spatulas, spoons, and stirring utensils, along with a convenient holder for organized storage. Bamboo is naturally heat-resistant and gentle on cookware surfaces, making these utensils ideal for stirring, sautéing, frying, and serving food without scratching pots and pans. One of the standout features of this utensil set is its environmentally friendly construction. Bamboo is a renewable material that offers strength while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The utensils are also easy to clean and maintain with simple hand washing. In addition to daily cooking use, the attractive design makes this set a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, birthdays, or cooking enthusiasts. Overall, the Neat Bamboo utensil set offers great value, durability, and functionality for anyone looking for reliable, non-toxic wooden kitchen utensils. At number 2, the Earlywood 4-piece wooden kitchen utensil set is a premium handcrafted collection designed for serious home cooks who value quality, durability, and natural materials. Made in the USA from exotic hardwoods such as Mexican ebony, jatoba, and bloodwood, this set stands out for its strength, beauty, and long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional wooden spoons, Earlywood utensils feature a thin, minimalist design that makes them extremely versatile. The set includes 2 thin wooden spatulas, a cast-iron scraper tool, and a butter and cheese spreader. These tools are perfect for flipping, stirring, scraping, and serving a wide variety of foods with precision. One of the biggest advantages of this set is its ability to work safely on all cookware types. It is completely non-toxic and safe for non-stick pans, while also being strong enough for heavy-duty cast iron cooking. The slim edges allow users to easily scrape pots, lift food, and handle delicate cooking tasks. Although this set is more expensive than standard wooden utensil kits, its craftsmanship, durability, and lifetime warranty make it a long-term investment. Overall, the Earlywood 4-piece set is ideal for those who want professional-grade wooden utensils with a unique and stylish design. And finally, the Totally Bamboo 5-piece cooking utensil set is an affordable, eco-friendly, and practical kitchen solution for everyday cooking. Made from solid mozo bamboo, this set offers a natural, non-toxic alternative to plastic utensils, while being safe for use with non-stick cookware. This 5-piece set includes a spoon, spatula, slotted spatula, and a single-hole mixing spoon. Each utensil is 12 inches long, providing a comfortable reach for stirring, mixing, and serving a wide range of dishes. The one-piece bamboo construction ensures durability, reducing the risk of splitting or breaking during regular use. One of the main advantages of this set is its environmental sustainability. Bamboo is a fast-growing renewable resource that requires minimal processing, making it a more eco-friendly choice compared to plastic or metal utensils. In addition, the smooth natural finish helps protect cookware surfaces from scratches. These utensils are also easy to clean and maintain, making them ideal for busy kitchens. While they require proper care to extend their lifespan, their lightweight design and affordability make them a popular choice for beginners and everyday home cooks. Overall, the Totally Bamboo 5-piece cooking utensil set delivers great value, simplicity, and sustainability for any modern kitchen. So, those were the top 5 best non-toxic and non-stick safe wooden spoons you can buy in 2026. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen gadget reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.